Hello guys, the following is an example involving the use of a ratio scale to find an actual measurement, given the scale of a map and the measurement on the map. So the example goes as follows. A map uses a scale of 1 to 200. What is the actual distance between 2 points which appear 35 centimeters apart on the map? So this is a map that is produced using a scale of 1 to 200. We should find the actual distance between 2 points, given that the distance between the 2 points on the map is 35 centimeters. We know that the left side of the ratio scale represents the size on the map, the picture, or the plan, and the right side is the size in real life. Since we are given the distance on the map, then this is the left side of the ratio. And since we are measuring in centimeters, then the scale is also considered to be in centimeters. We should find the actual distance in real life between the 2 points. So remember from the past tutorial, to find the distance in real life, we multiply the measured distance on the map by the right-hand side on the scale. Since this scale scales down real-life measurements into smaller measurements on the map, picture, or plan. So to find the actual distance, we proceed as follows. We multiply 35 by 200, which is equal to 7,000 centimeters. Thus, the actual distance is 7,000 centimeters. To present this distance in a more appropriate distance, measured in real life, we may change the unit from centimeters to meters. We know that every 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then, to change from the smaller unit, centimeter, to the larger unit, meter, we divide the length or distance by 100 centimeters per 1 meter. So, 7,000 centimeters divided by 100 centimeters per 1 meter is equal to 70 meters. Therefore, the actual distance between these 2 points is 70 meters.